What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2016 Scion TC 4-cylinder. What we got done on it, still got factory converter manifold up there, then it goes over and above the mid suspension, and then there's a second converter there. Then we took off the resonator and put a LCGP resonator right there, bottle style muffler, as you guys can see. Then we had to add a sleeve to it. Then it's 2-inch pipe all the way back, and we did a rear muffler delete right there. And then also we put a bolt-on carbon fiber tip 4-inch. Just to match it up. Looks really clean. It's a nice Scion TC. There's the carbon fiber tip right there. And it's lady driven, so it looks pretty. I think it came out beautiful. Like always, guys, if you want this link, there'll be a link in the description for the bottle style muffler. The part number is right here. I'm not gonna call it all out. Anyways, there's the two mufflers we cut off. As you guys can see, they're basically like two resonators. In a sec. Much better. What's the sound on it, right? Go ahead again. Your sound decibels. 111. That looks so much better and nicer. And it sounds awesome. Go ahead. Scion TC. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Scion TC 2016 4-cylinder with an LCGP metal bottle muffler, basically a vibrant, and a rear muffler delete. Here we go. That sounds good. 2016 Toyota Scion TC. What we got done on it, they call it a CNT S-pipe right there. The customer brought it, we put it in for him. Got the factory converter up there on the manifold. Then we did a resonator delete in the middle. He had a resonator right there. We deleted it. Then it's 2.5-inch pipe, pre-bent already a kit that he had on. And then we did a muffler delete for him also because it wasn't loud enough for him, so we made it louder. And put a 4-inch blue flame tip, burnt tip, right there, out the side, as you guys can see. Take a picture of that. That looks clean like that. Boom. Like always, guys, please like and subscribe. Keeps our channel going and all that good stuff. We appreciate it. That's everything we cut off, guys. There's the resonators, the muffler, and the S-pipe. Much better. Tell us what you guys think. I like it. It's loud. It reached 122 on the sound decibels, guys. Let you guys hear on this. 2016 TC. Hopefully he'll go beast mode in a TC. We'll see. Hey, that rhymes. Beast mode in a TC. We'll see. I'm losing my mind, man. And my hearing. Guys, we got you guys today a 2015 Scion TC. What we got done on it, got factory converter up there, secondary converter there, then we did a resonator delete right there, and then we continued the 2-inch pipe all the way back into a Borla S-type right there. Let me show you. Yeah, Borla S-type. I was looking for the name, guys. And it has a 3.5-inch oval tip there. So you guys can see, and you always want to tack the clamps so they don't loosen out or break over time. There's the part number on the Borla. It's 11813. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for it. So if you guys want to purchase it, right there. This is what it looks like out the back. Really beautiful, clean. They use that really good quality metal. Borla's known for that, so it comes out really nice. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful, absolutely fantastic content. Nice. Give a guess? What do you guys say? I like the sound. It's clean. Borla S-type. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. Right at 100. Perfect. Go ahead and back it out. Scion TC. Let you guys hear on the inside. Scion TC with a Borla S-type exhaust. It's really quiet on idle too, guys, as you guys can see. And all that smoke is from the manufacturing of the Borla, so it's normal. It'll smoke for a little bit and then it'll burn off. Sounds nice.